Confused by blockchain? Don't worry, you're definitely not the only one. For the next 2 minutes, I'm breaking it down plain and simple. No tech jargon, no PhD required. So, what is blockchain? Imagine a digital notebook. But here's the twist. Instead of one person holding it, millions of computers all over the world share the exact same copy at the same time. Every time someone writes a new entry, all those computers have to agree that it's legit. Now this notebook isn't just any notebook. It's made of blocks, each one packed with data, a timestamp, and a unique digital fingerprint called a hash. When a block fills up, it locks to the one before it, forming a chain. Try to mess with even one block and the whole chain falls apart. That's what makes blockchain so secure and tamper-proof. You've probably heard of Bitcoin or Ethereum, those run on blockchain. But here's the thing. Blockchain is way bigger than just cryptocurrency. It powers smart contracts that run themselves, digital art NFTs, secure medical records, even helps track your packages across the globe. Why is everyone so hyped? Because blockchain cuts out the middlemen. No banks holding your money, no days waiting for payments, no need to trust one person, you trust the system itself. It's faster, safer, and way cheaper. So yeah, blockchain isn't just about the future of money, it's about the future of trust, information, and how we connect with each other. If you made it to the end, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and comment blockchain so I know you're here for the tech revolution.